Have you ever heard of people say, I earn crypto just by holding it? Sounds fake, right? Well, it's not. Today, I'll explain what is staking in cryptocurrency, in simple English, with real-life examples, and no confusing technical words. If you're new to crypto, this video is for you. Let's start simple. Staking means locking your cryptocurrency for some time to help a blockchain network work properly. In return, the network rewards you with more crypto. Think of it like this. Bank fixed deposit. You keep money locked. Bank uses it. You earn interest. Crypto staking. You lock crypto. Blockchain uses it. You earn rewards. That's it. That's staking. Some blockchains don't use mining. Instead, they use something called proof of stake. Here's what happens. The network needs people to validate transactions. Stakers help keep the network secure and honest. The network rewards stakers for helping. So when you stake, you're not just earning, you're supporting the blockchain. Let's break it down step by step. 1. You own a cryptocurrency that supports staking. 2. You lock it in a wallet or platform. 3. The blockchain uses it for validation. 4. You earn staking rewards over time. Rewards can come daily, weekly, or monthly, and rewards are usually shown as a percentage like interest. Important question. No, staking is not completely risk-free. Here are some basic risks beginners should know. Price can go up or down. Some staking has lock-in periods. Network or platform issues can happen. That's why learning first is more important than jumping in fast. This channel is for education only, not financial advice. So why do people stake crypto? Earn passive rewards. No expensive mining machines. Helps the blockchain grow. Beginner-friendly compared to trading. That's why staking is popular with long-term and beginner users. Let's quickly recap. Staking equals locking crypto. Purpose equals secure the blockchain. Reward equals earn more crypto. Risk equals depends on price and lock time. If you understand this, you already know more than most beginners. If this video helped you understand staking, hit like, subscribe to Block Basics, and comment staking below.